Hello to you all jewelry maker guys. Today we are going to make a wire ring. One is that very simple and very beautiful in fact. For that we need two sizes of wire. One is about 0.7 to 0.8 and the other is about 0.4. You could choose copper, brass, silver, gold or any material that you desire. And as you see, I've chosen copper. First of all, we should think about our design. What is our design? And I have drawn something like this, a straight line with two square that is rotated, one of them. For that, I need to cut my wire. And for the designs that are straight, it is so simple. You just measure a free line with a ruler. As you see, one is 4.5 and every square is about 2 centimeters. So I had cut it my size, and to understand the length of our design, we should know about our ring size. And what is it? You should use a piece of string, just as simple as you can see. Just wrap it all around your finger and it is the size of your ring and also the length of your design. Okay, after you cut it your wire in the size you desire, first of all you should check that it's all straightened. As you see, there are some weaving parts that you should correct it. For that you could use your chain nose pliers and fix it. Okay, after that, also with this design, it is simple to bend every little part that is about 0.5. For that, you should use your ruler or your design, no difference. It's about 0.5 again. Fix your chain nose pliers and with your other finger just push it tight. And again. Okay, you have a square now, not bad. And for the other part, you should repeat that just like this. And again. You should determine the lines with a marker or something that you want, or do that like me. It is so better to determine it first with something like a marker to be more accurate. So you have something like this, and you should put it on your mandrel at a part that is equal to your finger size, like this. And I also change it a little over here. Yes. Something like this. It is okay now, but you could fasten it up a little with your 0.4 wire and weave it a little. Make a tie here and use your around those pliers to weave it a little bit. Okay, it's enough. And cut it with, and don't forget to fix it on your ring so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges. This is my little ring and I should use it here, and you could, I hope you make this little beautiful and easy ring and enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel to use our further design and making tips. Goodbye.